Hello guys, today we are going to solve another problem with LeetCode. I have just started before 2 months ago. In September, I have started learning DSA and it is November. Okay, so like it is the first week of November. Okay, so I'm going to teach you DSA. So here I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so this is the problem. LeetCode, uh, LeetCode, valid palindrome. Uh, A palindrome. Okay, so we are going to check valid palindrome. If after converting all the uppercase letter into a lowercase letter and removing all the non-alphanumeric character, it read the same forward and backward. Okay, like if you want to read it from forward and backward, then it will you can read same. Okay, alphanumeric character include letter and numbers. Okay, so here given a string as return true if it is a palindrome, or it will otherwise it will false. Okay, so here you can see this is the example one. As equals to a plane, a canal. Okay, Panama. Okay, so this is the true. Okay, so here you can see explanation. A man, a plan. Okay, so like you can read it from backward or forward, and it sounds same. Okay, so race a car. So it is false. Okay, race a car is not a palindrome number. S equals to empty string. Okay, so this is true. As is the empty string after removing non-alphanumeric character. Okay, so since an empty string read the same as forward, same in forward direction, and same as in backward direction. It is a palindrome. Okay, so here we can see we are going to take this madam. Okay, this example s equals to m dot a d a m. Okay, so here first step I'm going to take this character m equals to sorry ch equals to m. Okay, so I'm going to find out that it is alpha, like it is alpha, it is alphabet. Okay, so this is true, and here I'm going to convert it into a numeric ch dot lower. Okay, so like it will convert into a no, not numeric, into a lowercase. Okay, so I'm going to add to a final string. Okay, yes, then it will become madam into a final string. Now I'm going to check with the dot. Okay, so this is false. Ch is al num. Okay, so this is false. Okay, because this is the dot. Again, I'm going to skip this condition. Okay, because this is not character, and here we can't add this into a final string. Okay, so still we have final string equals to m. Again we have comma. Okay, comma is also see, not a character. Okay, and here I'm going to write false, false here. Okay, because it is not any character or not alphabets. Okay, so here this is I'm going to skip this condition. Again I'm not going to add this comma in the final string. Okay, so we have m here as previous. Okay, now again I'm going to take a space, this is space. Okay, so this is also false, this is not a character, and here I'm this is also not a character. That's why we can't do we can't convert it into a lower. Okay, so here final string, and I'm not going to add into a final string. So I got m here as previous. Now I am going to take a. Yes, okay, so this is the alphabet. Okay, this is the true, and I'm going to convert ch into a I mean this character into a lower character. So this is a. So this is a was already in small alphabet. Okay, so I'm going to add this into a final string. Okay, so it will become ma. Now I am going to take d. D is also alphabet true, and I'm going to convert d into a lowercase, so that will become small d. Okay. Now I am going to add this d into a final string, so it will become mad. Okay. Again after d I have a space. So okay, this is not a character. So here this condition will fail. Okay. So here I'm not going to add this space into a final string. Okay. And here our final string should be mad as previous. Okay, we don't need to update this. Now again I'm going to take a. A is true. Okay, this is the character, that's why it is true, or alphabet you can say. And here I'm going to convert it into a lower format. Okay, so here as we can add this string into a final. Okay, so we got MADA. Okay, now I'm going to take M from here. Okay, okay, so this is alphabet, it is true. And here M, I'm going to convert it into a lowercase. Okay, so it will become a small m. And now I'm going to add this in a final string, so it will become madam. Okay, so is al number, remove the space and kept only letter and numbers. Okay, and dot lower, convert the everything to a lowercase. Okay, and join, stitch the all cleaned character together into one continuous string. Okay, so here I'm going to create code. Okay, so I need to copy this. Okay, so this is the class and this is the function name. I'm going to pass here self, and s should be in string. Okay, s, what is the s? S equals to madam, this madam. Okay, so here output should be in boolean form, that is true and false. Okay, so here I'm going to write one variable, that is s equals to dot join. Okay, so here I'm going to find out that the character should be in lower form, lower. And here ch in the lower form, for ch in s, if ch dot is al num. Okay, and here I'm going to return s equals to s in the reverse direction. Okay, so here I'm going to take one string str equals to, I just need to copy this from here. Okay, so I got s equals to madam. Okay, with space and dot and comma. Now I want to print this. Print, I'm going to write here solution class. Okay, this is the solution and this is also class. And here I'm going to write function name dot, this is our function name, is palindrome. Okay, so here I'm going to pass str. I'm going to run this. Okay, so I got error. I join here. This is the spelling mistake. This should be join. Type object is not retrievable. S dot join. Let me check. S dot join. Ch dot lower, comma, for ch in, for ch in s, if ch dot is all number, and return s equals to s colon minus 1. Okay, I need to check where do I get error. Okay. This is a S, not a. Okay, so I got true. Okay, so I have already write S equals to madam. Okay, so I got true. So madam is palindrome. Okay, so this is the function here. I'm going to join everything. Okay, like this M after M A and D and M again. Okay, this is for like we are going to convert character into a lowercase. Okay, and we are going to find out with the help of is al number. This will give you letter and numbers and remove the space. Okay, and here I'm going to check that mm, mm, that our string is equals to uh, reverse of this string. Okay, so here this is the string, and here this is the print statement that we got true.